Hello friends, today I will show you how to fill this bobbin case. This is bobbin and this is case. When you remove this, it will be like this. First, in the right hand side of the machine there will be a holder. This is a bobbin holder by which you need to put the thread. First, you insert this bobbin into this holder and press it, push it. When you push it, it will get tightened here. Okay, it will be locked here. Then switch on your machine and see which thread you want to put. This is a holder. First, on 2 rounds you need to put manually. Then switch on your machine. Now press the pedal and this will roll. Press the pedal and hold it tightly. It should not be loose, otherwise your stitches will be loose. See, now it is done. Remove this, and in this way it is filled. Put in this bobbin case holder and it is ready to sew now.